In a world filled with endless distractions and mounting responsibilities, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and struggle to stay focused on what truly matters. But what if there was a way to take control of your time, unlock your full potential, and conquer your goals? The Productivity Playbook. Master your time, conquer your goals. Hi, I'm Iranga from Sonara C, and I'm here to guide you on a transformational journey towards peak productivity and success. Inside Tile, the Productivity Playbook, you'll discover a comprehensive system designed to help you maximize your time, achieve your goals, and live a more fulfilling life. We'll start by diving deep into the principles of effective time management, teaching you how to prioritize your tasks, eliminate distractions, and create a rock-solid schedule that works for you. But we won't stop there. The Productivity Playbook will also guide you through the process of setting ambitious yet achievable goals and show you how to harness the power of visualization to manifest your dreams into reality. With the help of cutting-edge tools and technology, you'll learn how to track your progress, stay accountable, and make data-driven adjustments to your strategies along the way. I've packed this playbook with a wide range of practical tips and strategies to help you overcome common productivity pitfalls, tackle procrastination, and find the motivation to keep pushing forward, even when faced with challenges. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what others have to say about the Productivity Playbook. This book completely transformed the way I approach my work. I've never been more focused and driven. The strategies in Productivity Playbook helped me achieve my long-standing goals in record time. It's a game changer. Finally, a productivity resource that offers practical advice that works. Highly recommended. Are you ready to take control of your time, conquer your goals, and unlock your true potential? Get your copy of the Productivity Playbook, Master Your Time, Conquer Your Goals today, and start transforming your life.